Welcome back to our Dar es Salaam walking tour. In part 2, we dive into the vibrant cultural and commercial heart of the city. We begin at Kariakoo Market, a brutalist masterpiece designed by Beta Amuli, the largest covered market in East Africa. Inside, massive concrete trees provide natural cooling and rainwater harvesting, a brilliant fusion of modern design and tradition. Spanning 3 levels, this market is a sensory overload of commerce, where millions of shillings change hands daily. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Next, we walk to Shaban Robert Street to visit the National Museum and House of Culture, the guardian of Tanzania's treasures. Here you can stand face to face with history, including the famous Zinjanthropus skull, dating back nearly 2 million years. These are the Laetoli footprints, a literal step back in time to the very beginnings of our human story. The museum also chronicles the nation's journey from colonial rule to a proud, independent republic. Galleries of traditional instruments and costumes showcase the rich heritage of Tanzania's 120 ethnic groups. A short drive north brings us to the Village Museum, an open-air living showcase of rural Tanzanian life. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. Here, over 15 authentic dwellings are built with traditional materials, serving as reminders of ancestral roots. Step inside to see the tools and crafts that have sustained communities across the Rift Valley for centuries. In the afternoons, the air comes alive with the rhythm of traditional dances and the skill of local carvers. Finally, we reach the Mimsasani Peninsula and the beloved Cocoa Beach, the city's communal living room. This is where Dar es Salaam comes to breathe, play, and connect with the sea. No visit to Cocoa Beach is complete without sampling the legendary Tanzanian street food. Try the spicy mishkaki or fried cassava, served with a squeeze of lime and a dash of local chili. And don't forget the chipsi mayai, the quintessential Tanzanian comfort food, cooked fresh on the sand. As the sun sets over the peninsula, the energy of the city mellows into a warm coastal breeze. From the chaos of the market to the peace of the beach, Dar es Salaam never ceases to amaze. Join us in part 3 for our final adventure. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.